What's up guys? Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. This is Orbs again po, and of course today another blessed day and another reaction video tayo. Guys, today it's very exciting kasi manonood tayo ng performance ng dalawang queen, no? Sa singing. Of course, hindi natin patatagalin and panonoorin na natin ang performance ni Morissette and Jessica Sanchez. Ay, it's very long time guys bago masundan to, no. This is not the first time kasi meron na silang before na collaboration, and this time another collaboration for their own new release song na Stronger Than Before sa by PH, if I'm not mistaken. So tara na, and kung bago ka sa channel ko, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and para ma-notify ka sa mga susunod natin videos. Maraming salamat sa iyo. And here we go. Panoorin na natin ang performance nila dito. Ay, sobrang excited ako dito.
For an anthem of resilience, growth, and courage, dropping their first ever live performance of their new single, Stronger Than Before. Please welcome.
So this is a new release single nga guys, no, the Stronger Than Before. This is the first time, no, ng kanilang collaboration with a new release song na Stronger Than Before. Nice. Ganda ni Mori.
The Asia's Phoenix, Morissette, and the Filipina champion of America's Got Talent Season 20, a global vocal phenomenon, Jessica Sanchez.
Ay, ito na. Wow, opening guys, no. Makitang-kita nyo naman ang staging ng by PH. Nice, parang paasap na rin ang atake. Yay! Eto na! Woo! The dresses, napakaganda, black and white, no? Simple lang pero elegant.
Used to hide my tears and shame.
Hey!
I let myself take the blame.
Si Jessica po ang unang kumagat, no? And let's see anong flavor ang ipapakita ng dalawang queen na to sa iisang stage, no? Sobrang excited ako dito. And guys, alam naman na natin kung ano mga capabilities nila, ng technique nila, and kung paano sila kumanta. Alam na natin yung lahat. And let's sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.
Carry my aching heart undercover, smiling while I drown in the flame.
Woo! Those runs, sobrang ganda nun. Nakakamiss pakinggan yung mga gantong runs ni Jessica Sanchez. And of course, pareha silang high ang range, no? Kaya excited ako dito anong kaya papakita nila sa atin.
But in the quiet, you call my name.
Ooh, smooth lang tayo, no?
Hold me out of that heavy rain.
Woo! Sobrang rich naman ang opening dito ni Jessica Sanchez, no? And sobrang, chill vibes lang, no? Ganon.
And when the walls come crashing down, I remember what you said, only you could break the chains, put the crown on my head, 'cause I'm stronger than before. I'm still.
At lumipad na nga po si Jessica, no?
Standing in the fire, 'cause you're lifting me up into something beautiful. With your grace, I won't give up. You're taking me higher, walking.
Ayun yung nakakamiss dito kay Jessica, yung mga mahabang gano'n na walang hingahan, no? Narinig nyo ba yun? Sobrang ganda nung galing.
Through that door, I am stronger than ever before. Stronger than before.
Nice, sobrang nice nung part na to ni Jessica, no? Sobrang smooth lang, chill lang tayo. Let's wait sa mga pasabog nila.
I used to have the pain.
Oh, that's sexy. Pillow tone voice ni Morissette there, the falsetto sa opening niya. Ganda.
Shadows, I never knew your face. You love this war and I'm crying, but now I'm not the same. 'Cause in the quiet.
Sobrang ang binibigay sa aking vibes dito ng song na to, no? The Stronger Than Before. Chill. Chill lang siya. Medyo, wala masyadong pasabog pa eh. Pero tignan natin.
You call my name, and when the walls came crashing down, I remember what you said.
At yun na nga po, lumipad na si Morissette. Tignan natin kung saan sila mag-meet ni Jessica dito, no?
Only you could break the chains with the crown on my head, 'cause I'm stronger than before. I'm standing in the fire.
Nice, very nice, no? Yung part na to ni Morissette, I believe, papunta na to sa high notes eh. Let's go!
I'm walking through that door. I am stronger than ever before.
And guys, no, ang nakakatuwa talaga dito, sana magkaroon pa na mas maraming collaboration kagaya ng ganito, no? Kasi sobrang ang ganda lang, ang ganda panoorin, ang ganda sa pakiramdam, no? No, yung mga queens, no, mga high belter, mga high caliber singer ng Pilipinas nagsasama sa isang stage. Nice.
Stronger than before, stronger. From the valley to the mountain, you've been steady.
Yay! Sobrang sexy ng boses ni Jessica, no? Alam niyo naman na yan. Pero ako kasi ninanamnam ko yung mga ganyan niya eh. Sobrang idol natin yan.
Every time I thought I'd lose it, you were there to break my fall.
At saka napansin ko guys, no, walang nag-overlap, walang masyadong, sino yung mas angat, no, wala pa tayo sa point na yan, pero for sure, may parating na. That's nice, that's sexy from Jessica, and of course, Morissette, let's go.
I'm stronger than before.
At yun na nga po, no, nagkita na po sa tip ng pyramid ang dalawang queen na to, no, si Morissette, Asian Phoenix, and si Jessica po, na sobrang taas din naman ng range. Oh, sobrang ganda. Nice. Woo! Those melody guys, nagbe-blend ang boses nila sa isa't isa. Sobrang nice. Ang ganda, nakakakilig. Fire.
Stronger than before.
Woo! Sobrang ganda naman nun. Sobrang nice, smooth, and hindi po sila nagpupuksaan. Ayun yung maganda dito. Nice. At ganun lang po nila tinapos ang performance. Stronger than before.
Mavi, show some love for Morissette and
Nice,
Jessica
nice.
Sanchez!
Ooh, very nice performance. Sobrang nag-enjoy ako doon. I hope guys kayo din po ay nag-enjoy, na maraming salamat po sa pagsama sa akin. Again, this is Orbs again po, and kung bago ako sa channel ko, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell para ma-notify ka sa mga susunod natin videos. Maraming salamat po. See you and God bless.